Hey y'all, it's your girl BabyDollBranda, and I'm coming to you today with another video. So today we're going to be learning how to do a top knot bun on naturally curly hair. I hope you're enjoying. Please stay tuned. So the first thing that we're going to do is grab a spray bottle filled with water. We're just going to spray it all around our head. I did this so my hair can, become softer and more easily and more easy to manage and work with. So now we're gonna get a hard bristle brush, anyone that you have, and just gonna brush around your whole head, around the whole perimeter. Grabbing the Eco Styler gel, just gonna, add a lot. Just add it. Don't add too much, but add enough where you can have a slick look by the time you're done with the hairstyle. So now you see me grabbing the olive oil, and I use olive oil because coconut oil just dries my hair out, and scratch that hair, girl. And I use olive oil to avoid a hard cast on my head, since I do wear my ponytails for a long time. I don't want my hair to be too dry. And we're just gonna repeat the second step. Now, the most important part to a top knot bun on natural hair is the ponytail. The ponytail is the base. If the base ain't looking good, your bun ain't gonna be looking good. If the base of your house ain't sturdy, your house ain't gonna make it. So you gotta have a good base. So what I do is I don't use the conventional hair ties. I get old stockings and I cut them up into pieces so I can use them as hair ties. One, it's stretchy so you can get the tightest ponytail you could possibly can. Two, it causes less breakage. And three, you saving money, girl. Like, what are you losing? Like, what are you losing? Now I'm going to repeat the steps and just, continue until I have my desired look. And then I put it up into the ponytail. And please disregard the white residue in my hair. It dries after. It goes after. It oh my gosh. Just forget it. Get it, girl. Get that pony. One. Two. Oh my gosh, I was struggling here. Oh my gosh. My fingers started cramping. I was like, Lord, is it worth it? It was worth it. Yes. I was contemplating if I should change the whole video idea and do a curly ponytail. But, I had to go through my polls on Instagram. Now we're going to be getting some gel and we're going to be adding it to our edges again. This time is for our baby hair. We want them real, slick or whatever. Are you gonna start slicking that hair? Or at least gonna try to. Cause Lord knows my edges were a no in this video. It was so hard trying to look at a mirror and a camera at the same time. But I tried. Now we're going to start to slowly wrap our hair around itself, and notice how I wrap at the root of the ponytail. I don't wrap at the top. That's how you get the top knot look. And also, before you start wrapping, try to pick your hair to the highest it can go when it's in the ponytail, so you can have a really high top knot. You know, just fix it, fix it, fix it until you like how it looks. We're gonna get a silk scarf and we're gonna wrap it around our whole head. Make sure you get every single piece of hair on that base, so your hair gonna come out looking good. And Wazam! Oh girl, I see them little waves. I'm swimming more than your MCM. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please forgive me for my awkwardness and my ugly laughs and jokes. Bye, y'all.